In this clip, we're going to talk about filling your vehicle's coolant system to the appropriate level and checking for leaks. I have my radiator filled up, so there's coolant coming out of right there at the neck. As you can see, my finger's wet. I have my overflow jug filled just slightly above the cold fill level. As you operate the engine and drive it, the coolant is going to expand and contract just due to the laws of physics and heat. What will happen is some of the very minute bubbles and air pockets that are trapped in the engine will burp their way out through the overflow hose into the jug. When you park the vehicle, the engine will cool down and it will draw coolant back into it and actually self-level it out. What you're going to want to do is warm the vehicle up 2 or 3 times and let it cool down completely, and then top off your overflow jug. The 2 connections that we did disconnect in order to gain access to our thermostat are at our upper radiator hose. We're going to also want to run the engine and inspect here and make sure that we don't have any leaks. And that is the proper way to finish off your thermostat removal and replacement job.